So like I told you, I was doing 2 meals tonight. So the second meal I have is a chicken cordon bleu. Chicken cordon bleu is normally made with a chicken breast with some type of cheese, sauce in the middle, and ham. I don't eat ham, no pork on my fork, so I made turkey. Check out the video. So, chicken cordon bleu. You gotta slice your chicken breast in half and almost make it look like a heart because it's Valentine's Day, so that's what we're doing. So watch this. Open it up. Boom. Slicing. Back. Boom. Slice. Boom. Okay. That's what we need. Johnny 2 times is what we're doing. We're gonna tenderize it. We're gonna flatten this damn thing out. I'm the judge, the jury, and the verdict. Guilty, bitch. Straighten it out. You wanna get this thing flat. You know what I mean? Almost like a Dr. Miami flat. Tummy tuck flat. Boom. So you want to flatten this thing out. You flatten it out because we're going to tuck and roll. Alright, so you don't need much. Like I said, this is chicken cordon bleu. I don't eat pork. So we're going to use turkey. You lay it out. Boom. Just like so. Hit them 2 times. You can use ham if you want. Boom. 3 times. Don't threaten that cordon bleu with a good time. Now, our cheese. You need that queso. That con queso. This is Swiss. And you also have to season your chicken. I'm gonna season the inside. My turkey. Okay? So everything's seasoned. I'm gonna do a little bit of salt. Not much. I don't like to cook with salt like that. Okay, we do a little bit of pepper. Boom. And now, next, after we got our turkey laid down, we're gonna roll this motherfucker, huh? We're gonna roll it. Boom. It's 1 cordon bleu. Right? Now we have the seasoning on the outside. We're gonna hit it with some garlic. Right? We're gonna hit it with some everything. Every blow clot ting them. Okay. Boom. A little bit of salt, poquito. Salito. Okay. Tap it in. Boom. Smack it. We'll roll that motherfucker over like so. Boom. We're gonna do the same thing all over again. Now, boom. We're gonna hit our cordon bleu normally. So normally I would wrap it with saran wrap and I would let it sit in your freezer for about 15 minutes. That will keep the structure of everything together. But since I don't have that time, we gotta go in. Right, so, boom. We're gonna go wash. No, flour first. It's flour. Boom. It's flour. Shake it off. We're gonna hit the egg. Shit gonna get messy, but it's alright. Because you're gonna impress your lady. And then she gonna ask you for a baby. You know what I mean? So we all good. Boom. Breadcrumbs. Tuck and roll. Tuck and roll, baby. Okay. Right into the grease. So right here, all we're doing is gonna brown this. We just wanna brown this thing. We're gonna brown it. We're gonna work on the next one. Oh.
So what we have is a hot pan of oil. If we use a canola oil, and we have beautiful chicken cordon bleu. And what we want to do in this hot oil is we want to sear off all of the beautiful flavor that's in the outside of this chicken cordon bleu. If you look at it, just look at it. Oh my God, just look at it. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna baste this motherfucker. We're gonna baste the shit out of it because we want this chicken to cook so even.
Fresh out the pan. Get you. Boom. We're going in. Oven. 15 minutes. 355. You know what? I like 370. Just because I like 7 is my favorite number. But now, while that's baking in the oven, make sure you clean your shit, cuz I'm all up on you. Okay? It's Jersey in the house, not California. But while that's in the oven for 15, 20 minutes, it should only take you 5 minutes to clean all the dishes. Clean the dishes. Alright? Brian's kitchen. Where appetites go, mission. Once your potatoes are cooked, you got to strain them. Boom. Right? So after you strain them, you want to get them as dry as possible. So you strain them and then you're going to put them back into the pot that you originally boiled them in with no water. Follow me. Boom. So we have a medium-high heat. The pan is absolutely empty. There's nothing left. We have our potatoes, and what I'm gonna do is I wanna dry them out. So we're gonna put them back there. Boom. And let them dry out. You want your potatoes dry when you're making mashed potatoes. That's just what the fuck you want. I don't know why, but that's why. And then after you dry them out, you either get your potato masher if you got one, you get a fork if you're from 5th Street in Plainfield, or a wooden spoon if you're at the left house. All right, so boom. Pan down, you hear that? You hear that? That's drying out the potatoes. And you hear that? Dry out the potatoes. Dry them out. Get them things dried out. And you'll see this. You see how starchy they're looking? Look, look. But it's gonna be so easy to mash. Watch up. Boom. That's a mashed potato. Now you just smash them up. Whatever contraceptive that you have to use.
Contraption. Say it again. Say it over again.
No, contraceptive.
No, that's not the right word. Butter.
No, fuck
butter,
that.
No.
It's okay. Sometimes
No,
it's okay.
It's not.
It makes it funny. So once you boil your potatoes, you need a condom.
Yo, I can't. Stop.
You need a contraceptive.
No.
Which is this wood.
No.
And I love using my wood, baby. No. Beat it up. And fold it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how creamy it's starting to look, right? And we're not even fucking done. Come on, man. So you need a vegetable. You need a green. Green help you shit. You need it. Everybody got a shit. Got a shit every day. So you want to cut off your stalks. Boom. Like so. And you can either do like a compound or whatever the hell that word is and feed the garden. A compost, and you can feed your garden and or the animals in your backyard, whatever. So now we're gonna saute our asparagus. That's how we're gonna do it. Maybe tablespoon butter. Boom. That's all you need. I mean, damn, that's olive oil, but you know what I'm talking about. Butter. Reason why you put the olive oil down is because butter does not have a very high burning point. It doesn't have a very high burning point, such as something like oil. So to prevent it from burning, you put some olive oil down, extra virgins, because we like virgins. Everybody likes a virgin. They stay with you for life. You're gonna subscribe because you want to be here. This is gonna be a whole new family. We're gonna be a family. You all welcome to Divine's Kitchen. And I go to other people's kitchen too. We're going in, asparagus. Lay it out flat in the pan. Everything needs to cook evenly, okay? Lay it out. Boom, pan down. All right. Permiso. We're gonna season it. A little salt. A little pinch, you know. Season it to your liking. Don't overdo it, because you can't undo it once you do it, okay? But you can always add more later. All right, boom. Just let that cook. Okay. Shot o'clock. Rule 101. This ain't your daddy's root beer. Oh yeah, that's gonna be beautiful. We need some garlic for that. Oh, we lost one. It's my chicken cordon bleu. Very crispy, okay? We pan sear it to get that brown, okay? Then we throw it in the oven for about 20 minutes on about 350, 355. And you let it cook till it gets to the internal temperature of 165. If you're not 100% sure that it's at 165, then you make sure you use a thermometer, okay? Well, we're about to cut these things open now, and if you're excited as I am, ooh, pan down, baby. You ready? Everything goes against the grain, okay? Slice it. Look at that. You see this, the inside of it? All right. So for the next sauce, we're still going to use the same stout, that beer, because you don't want it to go to waste. However, we're going to add mushrooms for the taste. Check me out. Now, you add a little bit of salt and pepper. A little bit, just for taste. All right, so you saute these things down. You get them nice and tender, okay? You're rendering everything. Oh, we're going right in. All right, we're gonna mix this with our stout sauce. Now, if you really want this recipe, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, but then you also go down into the description and you click that link, because this is going to give you that real recipe. You see that? So now when that sauce comes out, what? Who you talking about? Who you dealing with? But look for it. If you want it, I got you. It's fucking delicious. Like, you can put this shit on anything. You know what? You know what? I'm so excited. I'm going to make another video right the fuck now. Watch this shit. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share to everybody you know. Everybody you know. Everybody got YouTube.